how to fire an event when a form field is completed by the user. I will show you this new trigger that we have at PixelYourSite, and I will give you an example where to use it. I will configure a WooCommerce event, Google Analytics, called add shipping info. So it's an event that Google can process, and it's something very complicated to send for WooCommerce because websites have different moments when the user adds the shipping information. Sometimes it's the billing form, sometimes it's the shipping form, so we don't know. Because of that, we don't have an event that fires automatically for this action, but if you want, you can configure one using this new trigger, and we also have an option to track the cart data, which is quite useful in this example. So let me show you how it works. I'm on the events page of PixelYourSite Professional. I will create a new event, an internal name. Then I will select the trigger, which is filling out form field. Now I need to add the URL where I have the form. In this case is the checkout page. So add it here and scan the page. The scan will detect all the forms on the page, and you will be able to select the form that you want. In my case is the WooCommerce checkout form, and then the exact field that will trigger the event. And WooCommerce has this form. This is the billing details form. Usually that's where the user adds data with various fields, but you can also have ship to different address. So that's also a viable option. You need to select one. You can have two events tracking each option that the user has. In my case, I will say I want this form to trigger when I have the last name added. Just an example. So I will select the last name field, and this is the trigger. I can add another trigger, the same thing, and to add the shipping company, for example. So again, just some examples. Okay, where is it? Billing last name. And now all I have to do is to configure the event for Google Analytics. Enable Google tags. This by default will fire for all my Google tags, but if I want, I can select just the analytic tag like this. So it's up to you. And then what I need is to select the correct name. This is a standard event, so we will have the name listed here. If you want to use a custom event, you can do so by this and like this and add your custom name. But let me select the add shipping info. Ignore these predefined parameters. You don't need them because we have this option, track WooCommerce cart data when possible. And we will look in the WooCommerce cart, which is completed when the user gets on the checkout page, and we will track the data. So everything is done at this moment. Save changes. And that's it. Now, what about add payment info? Well, I don't have a solution. Let me explain why. On this website, I installed the Stripe payment plugin. Just one plugin. And I have Google Pay, which is untrackable because it's done by, this is Apple Pay. It's done by Apple. It opens a pop-up from Apple. We have no access there. Google Pay, again, same thing. Pay with link by Stripe, same thing. And even these fields, card data, are not yours. It's in fact a script from Stripe. You don't have access to the card data or anything in there in that form. So we cannot track when a user has the card data. We cannot track what they do on Pay, on Google Pay or Apple Pay or Stripe Link. And this is the case with all payment solution. It doesn't happen on your website. For security reasons, it happens using their scripts. So no, we cannot track this action, and WooCommerce doesn't have anything we can use to detect when the payment is done or the payment information is added. So we don't have a solution right now for add payment info, but if you want, as I show you, you have a solution for add shipping info. And this trigger can be used for other events. I mean, this is just an example of what you can do with our new trigger, and that option that allows you to track the cart data when possible. So when products are in the cart on WooCommerce. That's it. This is a paid feature, so you won't see it in the free version of the plugin, but you will see it in the paid version of the plugin. If you are one of our customers, I thank you very much. We do need your support. We have a lot of costs when we develop and maintain this plugin. And of course, I want to make a profit as well as you do. And that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.